Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the Jubilee app to create branded product. So Jubilee app is an app that gives you the ability to start private label dropshipping. So you could have product on your store that comes with your own unique branding, with your own unique logo, and whenever your customer are receiving this product, they'll believe you are the manufacturer of the product because the product is going to carry your brand. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the Jubilee app to brand product on your Shopify store. So if you don't have an account with Jubilee, I'm going to add a link to them at the description of the video. So just go there, click the link, and when you click the link you should see something like this. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on try Jubilee for free. So create an account with them and choose a plan, and once you choose a plan you'll be able to log into your account. So I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to click on login so we can proceed. All right, so I've just logged into my account now. And the next thing you're gonna have to do is to link your Jubilee account to your Shopify store. So whenever you like a product or whenever you see a product you want to sell, you can easily push the product from your Jubilee dashboard to your Shopify store. And I'm going to show you how you can brand the product on your Jubilee dashboard here. So what you want to do now is you want to go back to your Shopify account, then you want to come to app section here, then click on apps. So when you click on apps, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then click on all recommended apps here. So when you click on all recommended apps, it's going to bring out some of the popular apps on Shopify. So what you want to do is click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to redirect us to the Shopify app store. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then search for Jubilee. So this is it. So click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to prompt you to install the app. So here I'm going to click on install. So after that, come over here, then click on install again. All right, so as you can see now, my Shopify account has been connected to my Jubilee account. So whenever I see a product I want to sell, I can easily click on the product, then add it to my product list, then import it to my Shopify store. So when you want to brand product on Jubilee, now what you want to do is you want to come to the left hand side here. So click on branding. So when you click on brand, you're going to see your brand here. So this is where you're going to be entering your branding. So take for example, my brand name is Dropshipping also. So I'm going to click on it, and as you can see now, the name has appeared on the product. So all the product on your store is going to come with your own unique branding. So for invoice, what you want to do is you want to scroll down again, then enter your store name here, enter your store website, your email address, and a personalized note you want your customer to see whenever they order a product on your store. So once you've done that, if you want to preview it, what you want to do is click on this preview button, and for you to add your logo, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on this upload icon here. So it's going to redirect you to your desktop. So from there you can now import the logo you want to add. So once you've done that, if you want to review them, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on preview invoice. All right, so as you can see now, this is the invoice your customer are going to see. So they are going to see your unique logo, details about the product they just purchased, and your business address. So for the product here, now these are the products you can actually send to your Shopify store. So whenever you see a product you want to sell from the dashboard here, so you can just go through all of the product here, and whenever you see a product you want to sell, all you simply need to do is click on add to product. So when you click on add to product, the product is going to come to your product list. So from your product list here, you can now send them to your Shopify store and start selling them on your store. So take for example, looking at this product here, as you can see, it comes with my unique brand here, and this is how all of the products you've added to your product list is going to look like. So from here you can now click on push to store, and the product is going to be sent to your Shopify store. So I'm going to click on push to store so the product can move to my Shopify store. So as you can see, it says the product has been pushed to my Shopify store. So whenever you have an order on your Shopify store, what you want to do is you want to come over to Shopify orders here. So the orders are going to be here, and you'll be able to fulfill the orders here on your Jubilee dashboard. All right, so this is basically how you can use Jubilee app to create private label dropshipping store. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.